guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is the TMI tag. I have the questions on papers in front of me. So if you hear me shuffling papers, that's what this is. Before we continue, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that and hit that bell icon so you get notified so you don't miss out on any future videos. YouTube is doing this crazy thing where even if you're subscribed to a channel, they don't notify you that a video has went up. So make sure if you want to be notified, you hit that little bell icon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let's jump into this. So if you have seen other YouTubes do the 50 things about me TMI tag, that's what this is. So let's do it. So question number one, what are you wearing? I am wearing a white t-shirt, some gold hoop earrings, and some cheetah pajama bottoms and Michael Jordan sandals. Have you ever been in love? Yes, I have been in love. Yes, I am currently in love. I am getting ready to celebrate my 11-year wedding anniversary. Have you ever had a bad breakup? Yes, I have had a bad breakup. I am pretty sure that everyone has had a bad breakup. If you know me personally, you know about that bad breakup, and I would never wish that upon anyone. How old are you? I am 32 years young. How tall are you? I am 5'4". Do you have any piercings? I do have piercings. I have 2 holes in each ear. I have my nose pierced twice. Do you have any tattoos? None. Yes, I have tattoos. I have tattoos everywhere. I have one on my hand, one on my wrist, my makeup artist tattoo on my arm. I have tattoos up my arm. This arm is covered. I have tattoos on my feet. I have tattoos on my back. I've got tattoos everywhere. Speaking of tattoos, if you guys want to see a video on all my tattoos and their meaning and what they mean, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is water. I'm actually almost at 30 days with no soda. Occasionally in the mornings, I still have a cup of coffee, but water. Water is my favorite drink. What's your favorite song? My favorite song is, I can't like pinpoint one specific song, but it is pretty much anything by NF. What is your zodiac sign? I am a Scorpio. How long does it take you to shower? If I'm just showering to clean up, it takes me about 15 minutes. If I am showering and shaving and doing all of that, it takes me about 25 to 30. What's your favorite show? I love Grey's Anatomy and I loved Scandal. Also, I used to really love Breaking Bad. I have seen all of the episodes more times than I can count. What's your favorite musical artist? NF. Something I really miss, my grandmother. Where do you go when you're sad? When I am sad, I either call my best friend or talk to my husband or kind of just sit in my room for a few minutes, even maybe like come down to my office and kind of just have a couple minutes to myself and then try to move on. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? A very long time. After I do like my teeth whitening, my makeup, my hair, I mean, and then getting dressed, we're going on like a couple of hours. Have you ever been in a physical fight? Yes, I have. What turns you on? Honesty, loyalty, and hard workers. What turns you off? Liars, cheaters, and thieves. Quality you look for in a friend. Someone who's honest, someone who is loyal, and someone who helps encourage you on your goals and your dreams. What is your favorite color? I love neon green, neon pink, neon orange, and a really bright yellow. Loud music or soft music? Loud music. What is my favorite quote? My favorite quote is actually right here on my arm. It says, follow the footprints of the Lord. They will lead you through troubled times and brighten your life. Favorite actor? I really love Aaron Paul. I really, really love Patrick Dempsey. And I think that's it. The reason you joined YouTube. The reason I joined YouTube is because I am a certified pro freelance makeup artist. I love that. It's my passion. It's what I do for work. And I used to do Facebook Live videos all the time. And then I kind of thought, hey, why not give YouTube a try? So here I am. Do you have any fears? What are they? Yes, I do. I have fears of being in another car wreck, losing my mother, or something happening to one of my kids or my husband. What's the last thing that made you cry? When I was in Indiana visiting my family, I went to visit my grandparents' grave, and every time I go to my grandma's grave, I cry. Meaning behind your YouTube name. The meaning behind my YouTube name is actually my first and last name, and then Beauty, which is my business name. So that's where it came from. Last time you said you love someone? To my husband this morning before he left for work. Last book you read? I don't really know if this counts as like reading a book. I mean, I guess because I have to read it, but my husband and I read this book where it's 10,000 things in life that you're grateful for. Every day we each read one thing just to kind of remind us that there's so many things in life to be thankful and grateful for. The book I'm currently reading, I'm still currently reading the 10,000 Things to Be Thankful For, because it's a very big book. It's a lot of things and we read it every day. The last show I watched, which is thing number 32, the last show that I watched was Scandal. Last place you were? In my office before I started filming this. Last sport you played? I guess I would say I played basketball in our outside with my sons. Who's the last person you talked to? The last person I talked to was my best friend, Jessica. Last song you sang? The last song I sang was NF. This Is All I Do. Favorite chat up line? I don't really know. Hi, my name is Holly Lovegrove. I'm a makeup artist. I don't really know. Do you have a crush? I do have a crush. My husband is my crush. The relationship between you and the last person you text. The last person I text was my best friend. We have been best friends for over 20 years, so I would say we have a very great relationship. My favorite food. My favorite food is tacos. I can eat tacos every day. I can eat tacos all day. Tacos are my favorite. Number 41, place you want to visit. Oh gosh, there's so many places that I want to visit. I really want to go to Jamaica, and I am trying to get that trip planned so I can make that happen. When is the last time you kissed someone? Last night before I went to bed, I kissed my husband goodnight. Last time you were insulted? So the last time I was insulted was by someone on Instagram. I think his page said that he was 19. Instagram, I had a sponsored post on Instagram, and the kid commented on my photo and said, since when does Instagram sponsor fat girls posts? Favorite flavor of sweet? I think that means like, what's my favorite sweet thing? I guess. My favorite sweet thing is peanut butter. Peanut butter is like my all-time biggest weakness. Literally, I have to hide it. I have it here. My kids love peanut butter. Peanut butter is my weakness. What instruments do you play? So when I was younger, I took piano lessons, and then from 6th grade on through 12th grade, I played the alto saxophone. Favorite piece of jewelry? My favorite piece of jewelry is my wedding ring here, and I have one of my grandma's pearl necklaces. Last time you hung out with anyone? I hung out with my husband last night. We went to dinner. It was great. I always have a fun time when him and I get alone time together. Do you have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram? I do have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I have 2 Facebooks, a business Facebook and a personal Facebook. My personal Facebook is Holly Lovegrove. My business Facebook is Makeup Artist Holly Lovegrove. My Twitter is Holly_Lovegrove, and my Instagram is H_Love13. Number 49, do you wear makeup every day? About 95% of the time, I do wear makeup every day. And number 50, my funniest memory. Ooh, this is so hard because I have so many funny memories. So, one of my all-time favorite memories, I'm gonna tell you guys a couple. One of my all-time favorite memories is when I was little, there used to be a pizza place at Easter time that would deliver pizzas to your house in an Easter bunny costume. And I was probably 4 or 5, but I remember my mom ordering pizza around Easter and the Easter bunny delivering this pizza to our door. That is one of my all-time favorite childhood memories. Another great memory that I have is every single time that a new Twilight movie would come out, my sister and I would go at midnight and watch it. And another one is my grandma. My grandma used to always cook food for all of our family get-togethers and gatherings. And around the time that she started to get sick, she had an automatic soap dispenser, and she put a tray of noodles, chicken and noodles, by the automatic soap dispenser, and it set the soap off. And rather than just scooping this soap out, she just stirred it around, and everybody saw her do it. So the running joke, every time anyone in my family makes chicken and noodles now, is that you need to put a pump of soap in it like grandma did. And that's all I can think of right off the top of my funniest memories. I don't know. They're some of my favorites. I have so many memories in my family. I could sit here probably all day. So that is the TMI tag. I hope that you learned some cool things about me. Let me know in the comments below if you found out something about me today that you did not currently already know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be nice to one another, be kind to one another, and love yourselves. Love you guys. Bye.